Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tija. Every week I drop video here on my YouTube channel. For you to get notification if I drop any video, click the subscribe button, drop a comment, hit the like button, and share the link with your network. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate the dark mode features in Power BI. Just of recent, Microsoft released the dark mode features in Power BI. I'm going to walk you through on how to activate the dark mode features in Power BI. So where can you activate the dark mode features in Power BI? So come to the File tab, click on the File tab, you click on Options and Settings, you click on Options, you wait for the dialog box to open. So you click on Report Settings, click on Report Settings, click on Report Settings. The next thing you're going to click is here you have Choose a Theme. Click on this drop down, you pick any theme of your choice. So I click on the dark mode, click on the dark mode, hit on OK. So we have our dark mode activated. So let's see how it will look like if you want to visualize our data. So let's quickly visualize this. So let's quickly bring this here to the x-axis, bring in the revenue to the y-axis. So let's quickly go to our format visuals. If you don't need title, effect, turn off the background. The x-axis, so you turn it off if you want it. So this is how the dark mode features looks like. So this is how the interface looks like. Very calm. For those of you that love the dark mode features, Power BI has enabled this for you guys. Thank you for staying through to the end of this video. See you in my next video.